Hello and welcome to Powerful PowerPoint. In this session, I'll be covering images in shapes. Using images in shapes, or to fill shapes like we will show in this session, instead of colors can have several benefits, such as a visual appeal. Images can add unique and visually appealing elements to your design that colors can't achieve. Customization, images can be customized to fit your design needs, such as adding company logos or specific patterns. It offers realism and a sense of realism into your design, such as using, a wood grain uh, fill or image to represent a wooden object, for example, and clarity, where it can help clarify the meaning of your design, such as using an image of a map to fill a shape that represents like a geographical location. Now, in this one, we're just going to be predominantly looking at these stock images which are on screen and filling them into these various shapes. Now, you can do it in one of two ways. So first of all, I'm going to select this big old square. And what we're going to do is we're going to go to Shape Fill and we're going to go to Picture. And here you can choose a file from your device. You can choose a stock image, an online image, or you could choose an icon which is included within your Office subscription. I'm just going to choose stock images for the moment. And what we're going to look for is we're just going to choose something that looks pretty. I'm going to choose this staircase for example, and once you've selected your image, click insert, and what it will do is it will download and then fit that image to the shape of your object. Now as you see, this has been shrunk a little bit and squashed together, but you can always stretch it out and the image will stretch because it's filled within. This doesn't stop you from being able to type text on top of it, and you can then customize that with a color just so you can see the text much more better, for example. There is a second way you can add an image in. So let's say we want to add this image into this curved rectangle. Now we're just going to copy the image and we're going to click on this curved rectangle. And then we're going to just click on this little pop out in the drawing pane, and that's going to open a pane on the right hand side called Format Shape. You're going to make sure you have shape options selected and the paint bucket selected for your fill in line. Then we're going to expand fill and we're going to go to picture or texture fill. Now by default it will choose this sort of woody effect, but then because we've copied this image and we want to replace it from here, we can click clipboard and it will paste the image directly in. It works for any image on any shape. So if we do the same for this hexagon, we go back to picture or texture and click clipboard. Now we have a beach inside our hexagon. Let's say, for example, we needed all these images to be representative, or all these shapes to be part of one image. We can do that as well by selecting all of the shapes, going to picture or texture fill, selecting no fill first, then going back to picture or texture fill, then selecting your image that you want to have filled across all of them, select it all, and then hit clipboard and it will be pasted across each one. Or what you can do is hit Control G, go back to picture or texture fill, and there you go, it has pasted and stretched it across all 5 images. Now this might be better if you use a more neutral image such as this beach for example, and you can remove the outlines as well to make it a little more seamless and a bit less broken. But this is how you can also insert images into shapes. Stay tuned for more powerful PowerPoint.